Hey, Alan here. 2003 Craftsman lawn tractor, Kohler engine, and my lawn deck is on the ground. And man, did I butcher my grass. The reason it fell is because there are two rods that hold the lawnmower up, and the left side broke. You can see, here's the old rod and here's the new rod. You can see the new rod has an angle bent onto it, and it snapped clean off. The remaining piece is still attached to the mower, so my mission today is to replace this rod so I can go cut my grass. It happened on Saturday night. Got on Sears Parts Direct, Amazon, looked around. Finally, Amazon had it. 2 days, so it's Monday afternoon, and here's my new part. It's $12. Here's how I'm going to put it in. First thing I'm going to do is to get into this, the access is really hard to get to. I can maybe reach in, but getting it in and getting the pin on, I'm just going to pull the gas tank because I think that'll get me much easier access, and it should only take a few minutes. Literally, take those two bolts out, take the cover off. Gas tank comes out of the way. Now I can see inside there. Wow, that's dirty. So here's my broken piece here. Got a pin still attached. Pull that pin out. And that's what remains. Okay, so I've got this new part, and the temptation is to take off this lock nut and bring it in from the bottom and drop it through that hole. But I'm gonna try to bring it from the bottom to the top and not even take the nut off. Just gonna put it up through there, twist it, and put it up. Okay, so down there's the new rod, and there's a little hole in the that it has to go through to catch a pin on it. Right down here is the new rod, and the hole is right over here. In order to get that to come up and put it through, I had to lower the deck all the way down, and I've got it propped up on a board. So then I'm going to reach through from underneath. And just stick it through like that. That's it. Last thing, I got to put the pin back in to hold it in place. Okay, so now the new pin is on and the new bar is installed. I still have to drop the deck and adjust it, but it looks like I'm back in business. And there's my new bar. I'll drop the deck, I'll adjust the deck, and I'll cut my grass.